Good morning, and here's Catherine. Hi, kiddo.
Hello.
Hello. Sounds like she's losing her voice yet this morning, so she just finished her cereal.
Yeah.
Right now we're waiting on the van to get here to take her to summer school.
I love happy days. This has been my absolute favorite thing. My favorite thing that I love is grilled cheese.
That's the truth.
I love everything mine.
Whatever.
Her Kindle does more than mine does.
And for me, it's been 2 years since I was diagnosed with diabetes. Woo! Yes, that's right. You heard correctly. This is what Diabetic Danica
I was
calls
rooting for you.
my diversity.
I was cheering for you.
Anniversary. Whatever it's called. Anyway, it's 2 years.
Can I say something?
Sure.
Everything does as the big one does. The cloud does everything the small one does.
Ooh. Look at that sun. Isn't that pretty?
I know.
Anyway, say we'll see you later. See ya.
Bye.
Say see ya.
See ya.
Bye-bye.